Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to finally be getting a start on the interior of my 2009 Honda Accord. Let me just show you guys what we're working with right now. As you can see, we have no headliner and it's been this way for a few months. That's how the carpet is looking right now. Not too bad. It was spray painted, but I'm going to actually add the mats today. As you can see here, some of these trim pieces I was able to get from the junkyard. I am swapping out this interior from a tan to grey, so I do have a few pieces. Probably not for the top, but I think I do have some for the bottom part here. I think to put the headliner back in, I'm going to take all my seats out. Well, not all of them, but at least the front two. First screw. Taking it out now, so it will be a lot easier for me to get inside the car and saw this headliner.
What's happening here?
It's coming through. Okay, perfect.
Get out the way!
Okay, so this is what we've got so far. Finally managed to put the headliner up. The hardest part was getting the headliner behind the pillar, but we finally did it. I'm probably not going to put the upper console back on just yet because it is cracked. When I was taking out the headliner, I broke it. So yeah, there's kind of no point in putting this back in. So I finally finished the headliner. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but at least it's on. That's the main thing for me right now. I haven't done the handles yet, just because I just can't figure out how to get them on. But besides that, I think it looks really good. As for the trim pieces, I was gonna swap them out, but I just figured I'll do it all in one go when I have the rest of them. So for example, this seat belt is still kind of hanging, but we'll sort that out another time. Little console is still missing, and also this overhead console. Somehow I managed to lose the like casing for the light, but we can replace that. Okay, so that's it for the video. The mats have been installed, and most importantly, we have the headliner done. So this video wasn't too crazy, but at the end of this car project, it's gonna add up for my vision. So yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.